Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I have a confession to make. I'm about to do something a little shady. I am going out for a walk in a public space, and I forage along the space regularly, which is also a little shady. But I'm going to do some guerrilla gardening. I am going out, and on my walk, I am going to put out some seeds. My friend gave me, let me see, how many packages are there here? 6 packages of Echinacea. And it is so good for the pollinators. It is so good for our bodies. Native Americans used Echinacea for an antiviral medicine. They would make a tea out of the entire plant. Flower, stem, leaves, root, the entire plant. And drink it for the health benefits that it could give you. And we use it now today in a lot of medicines. If you go to the store for a cold and flu remedy over the counter, or a natural remedy over the counter, you're going to find that it most likely has Echinacea in it. Even teas that are sold for those purposes over the, in the grocery store and are Echinacea. And so I'm going to plant some along this native walkway. On my walk, I'm just going to scatter some seeds for the pollinators, for people who need it. And I have a couple places where I'm going to do this. And so I'm going to take you along today with me while I do something a little bit. It's not my place to plant, not my land, but it is public land. And so I am going to go ahead and do that today. And hopefully people will enjoy the flowers and pick them if they need them for the health benefits next year. So here we go. Let's go do this. Shh. Okay, so I am just going to sprinkle these seeds over here on the side where it's, see, it's not. And there we go. So you can see there's some nice goldenrod in here for the bees, purple flowers. I'm not sure what that is. If you know what it is, leave a comment down below. I'm not 100% sure what the purple one is, but there was some Queen Anne's lace, obviously, earlier in the year. Here's another one. I love the red color on this wildflower there. So there's wildflowers in this area, and I went ahead and planted some Echinacea seeds in here, and hopefully they will grow and come up. You can see where they mow here, but they don't mow over there. So it's the perfect place to throw some in. We'll take a few more. You can see there's an invasive rose, so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my walk this morning, but I just thought I'd take you along for that, and you have a great day. And there's some wild raspberries. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these. Just kind of enjoying my walk here and foraging. It won't be enough to count, but it is just proof that I do it wherever I'm at.
If you like our content, be sure to subscribe so we know which videos we need to make more of. Thank you and have a great day.